Hey everybody, it's Ms. Ladd, and I am here to show you how to do what's called packaging when it comes to your After Effects project. This is just a quick way to gather up all of your different footage, all of your different resources from a particular project that you're working on, and put it all in one folder so you can zip it and then hand it off to somebody who doesn't have those assets. They don't have, that way they don't have to make it from scratch. If you need to like move it to a different computer or something like that, that also works. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to go to File, and I'm going to go to where it says Dependencies, and I'm going to go to Collect Files. Now here, right, I'm going to have the folder show me where it is in Finder when it's finished. So that's kind of like Mac's version of Explorer. So here we go. I'm going to just hit collect. Let's see, I have all up here. There's some other choices, but I want to get everything. So collect. And I'm just going to create this ZSpace folder. That works. Let's go ahead and hit save. And so you can see we've got like a bunch of different things in here. And here's the folder that got revealed in Finder. If I reopen this, it's just going to give me everything. It's going to look exactly like this. So it's kind of nice that it puts your After Effects stuff in here, and then it puts any sort of footage that you have in here as well. So let me go ahead and close this project and reopen the project from the ZSpace folder. So let's go ahead and close this project. And I'll just go ahead and file, open project. And then I can just navigate to the appropriate thing. I don't want to be here. I want to be on my ZSpace folder. So that's right here. And then here's the ZSpace After Effects. And so you can see here's exactly the files that I was just looking at. So that's kind of cool, right? Now that we've got that, I'm going to go ahead and quit After Effects. And I'll show you the folder. So here's the ZSpace folder from my desktop. If I right click on it, some of you guys don't have right click enabled, so you'll have to have Control and then click. See where it says compress, click on that. And that'll make a zip file for you. So basically all of these files have been copied and compressed into this file. This is what I would want you to upload. So that's what I'm asking you to do today. All right, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. And in the meanwhile, happy rendering, everyone.